Friday morning and we are building a garage, at least the floor. So getting it all laid out, and I thought they were going to do all of it at once, which makes sense that they wouldn't, because that would be a lot of work right away. But they're just going to park on all the sides as they boom it in. So anyway, the first cement truck's here and they're getting it laid out. We got this timed out perfect. This guy's just finishing up as the next one's showing up. So this should be the last truck, and they've got 2/3 of it done already. So it's gonna be pretty awesome. Just like that, they're already up the power trowling. So starting to look really good. Chickens are really sad they're cooped up still, but I don't want any chicken prints on it or dog prints, so they're both getting locked up until this thing hardens. I didn't want to be a big creeper, record them the whole time, but they got it done for me. We are all laid out. They got this all rocked out. My new driveway's all put in. Nice heavy thick gravel all the way through here. Some of this is really, really thick. Chicken being loud. And then they leveled off all the dirt we took out and built me up a nice packed gravel approach here that we'll have to see how well it holds up, and if I have to add any. But this should be my 16-foot door across here and enter into the new garage here. So they didn't completely polish the surface because I am going to put epoxy floor coating on it, and so they kind of left it a little bit rough so it'd have something to grab to. Well, as promised, in one day, Saturday morning, they have my concrete done, they laid all the rock out, and they fixed the yard as good as they're going to fix the yard. It's kind of up to me to get the grass to grow back. I threw some grass seed out here. I don't know, it'll grow. I'm not super worried about the mud. I did get the sheet metal unloaded from the trailer. However, it's sitting right in the middle of the yard, and I have absolutely zero ability to move this because this is enormously heavy. That is the stack of the roof, and then all the siding and walls. There's the rest of the parts in there. That was quite an ordeal trying to get that unloaded with the Bobcat or the skid steer. And then I came over, and unfortunately my 16-inch tire that I found did not hold air. I was a little worried about it the way it was looking, but I went through a lot of work to put a tire on there to make it hold air, and apparently I failed. So that's kind of stuck in the yard right now with a flat tire, but that's not a big deal. I already feel like my yard's going to be cleaner just with having that driveway over there and some stuff moved around. There's less cars in the grass this morning, and yeah, pretty soon I'll have a place to go with all of this crap sitting outside, and it will no longer be visible to my neighbors. It truly is the ultimate goal of having a garage built, is to get my shelving and some of my, my steel racks all put back inside somewhere instead of sitting outside. I mean, I got shelving sitting over here. Obviously there's piles of scrap metal that need to go and vehicles that are junk, but same thing with this junk truck that's sitting here. I have the back filled up with things I don't really want to throw away, and I need a place to put them, like T-tops and glass. That's an old 327. This is a 4-bolt main, 1-piece rear main seal, 350 out of a 1-ton van. And there's another engine wrapped in plastic that I don't even remember what it is. I think that's a Pontiac. Oh, that's a 389. So can't really junk the truck if it's a storage unit right now. So getting the garage built and being able to put that kind of stuff somewhere like in the storage unit like this, and getting the shelving that's in here into the garage where we can use it, makes a whole lot more sense than having a vehicle lay around my property rusting out. So definitely be getting rid of that one for sure. And like I said, the ultimate goal is by next year this garage is torn down and we have one complete garage or I might even keep it 2 separate ones and have them connected with an open airspace between. We were kind of talking about that idea, and be able to get all this stuff out of my yard. So I even got Teresa working in the grass. So as me being responsible for fixing the grass, I gave her a rake. So that's me being a responsible parent, right?